Trade Republic or Interactive Brokers? Which broker is better? We get this question a lot, so before diving into fees, products, and other key factors, here's our quick take. Trade Republic is a stockbroker based in Germany. We recommend them for investors and beginners looking for high interest rates on cash, a simple but great mobile platform, and low fees. Meanwhile, Interactive Brokers is a multi-asset, industry-leading international broker. It's a great choice for experienced traders looking for a great all-rounder with low fees and broad market access. But before we discuss what you can trade at these brokers, let's have a quick safety check. First and foremost, you can rest assured, both brokers fully pass BrokerChooser's rigorous safety assessment and are regulated by at least one top-tier regulator, meaning your money is as safe as it gets. In the past 6 months, Trade Republic was chosen by about 8,000 BrokerChooser users versus around 353,000 who went with Interactive Brokers. Popularity isn't a guarantee, but it does hint at where traders are heading. For most people, the decision comes down to the practical stuff like product range, fees, and platform experience. So first, let's have a look at product availability. On the screen, you can see whether Trade Republic and Interactive Brokers offer some of the most in-demand products among BrokerChooser users. Now let's have a closer look at fees, starting with stocks and ETFs. To make fees comparable, we assumed a purchase of $2,000 worth of US stocks and US-listed ETFs and €2,000 worth of EU-listed ETFs. At Trade Republic, buying stocks costs $1.2. When it comes to Interactive Brokers, buying stocks costs $1. At Trade Republic, trading US-listed ETFs is not possible, while trading EU-listed ETFs costs €1. At Interactive Brokers, trading US-listed ETFs costs $1, while trading EU-listed ETFs costs €3. Now let's move on to options. Trading options at Trade Republic is not possible. Trading options at Interactive Brokers is available at low fees compared with industry levels. Next up is crypto. Trading crypto at Trade Republic is available at high fees compared with industry levels. Trading crypto at Interactive Brokers is available at low fees compared with industry levels. Now, apart from trading fees, you should also consider non-trading fees, especially the inactivity fee and withdrawal fees. These can be tricky, so check out all the details in our written reviews. The account opening process at Trade Republic was rated 5 out of 5 during our tests, while Interactive Brokers scored 3.1. And when it comes to trading platforms, on the same scale of 5, Trade Republic scored 4, while Interactive Brokers was rated 4.7. So what are the key takeaways? Our methodology is based on manually testing each broker with real money. We collect thousands of data points covering safety, fees, products, services, and many other aspects. This means that the cheaper broker is not always the better choice. When we combine all of these factors, for stock trading, we'd go with Interactive Brokers. For options trading, we'd go with Interactive Brokers. Finally, for trading cryptocurrencies, we'd go with Interactive Brokers. Thanks for watching this video. For our full up-to-date reviews of both Trade Republic and Interactive Brokers, click the links in the description. And if you want more videos that can help you with investing, follow BrokerChooser's YouTube channel. See you next time.